How to temporarily deactivate Snapchat account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Locate your Snapchat application and then open it. Now, go to your profile icon. After that, go to settings. Then you will find this delete account here, tap on it. It will lead you to a browser. And once you lead in this interface, all you have to do is add your password and then tap on continue. As you can see, this account deletion will be for 30 days. You will be able to reactivate your account if you try to reactivate or log in before 30 days, but after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.